Here's how to post anonymously on Facebook group. So first you need to go to facebook.com, or you can also launch its application, log into your specific account and go to the specific group where you want to post anonymously. Over your mouse in the top, which is indicating write something. And in that box, you'll get the option of anonymous post. Along with that, you'll also get the option of feeling an activity and poll. Make sure that you select anonymous post. Then select create anonymous post, which is highlighted in blue color. Remember that your post published in the group will not include your name or profile photo, but admins, moderators, and Facebook system can see your name and profile picture. So go ahead and click on this option if you're sure, and you can here type in your question or anything that you want to post on the group, and make sure that the toggle of post anonymously is toggled on in the top. You can also add pictures, location, feeling one activity, GIF, polls, and all. Then select submit, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.